Turn signals. You should know how to use your signals properly. To make a right turn, you simply extend your finger and gently push up, and there it is, you have your right signal. To shut it off, you gently pull down. To make a left turn, you put your left signal on, which is down. And of course, you can see the bulb flashing in your dash. To turn it off, gently push up. Now, whenever you're using signals, remember, you do not hold on to the signal. That's no good. You could actually break the signal. Always have your hand on the steering wheel and just extend your finger. You want a right signal, up, off in the middle, left signal, down, up to shut it off. And that's it.